For many people, when the words insurance and agent are put together, they probably think of an insurance agent. That is to say, someone who sells insurance.
However, the terms agent and agency have much wider definitions within the context of insurance and Hong Kong law.
Agents and agency occur often within daily and business life. Shipping agents, estate agents, sales agents, artists' agents, insurance agents, and licensing agents are all types of agents that you will encounter and are governed under agency law. When we think about insurance, the idea of an agent becomes slightly more complicated. This is because insurance intermediaries, which are de facto agents, can be described as either insurance brokers or insurance agents. Within the law of agency, both insurance brokers and insurance agents are defined as agents. In very simple terms, an agent is someone representing a principal. The governing idea for this theory of law is, he who acts through another is himself performing the act. When a child goes to the grocery store at his mother's direction and buys something on credit, the child is acting as an agent and the mother acting as the principal. While the child made the purchase, the contract of sale is between the mother and the store. It is not the child that carries the debt for the credit purchase, but the mother who now has an obligation to repay. As an agency is a relationship between an agent and a principal, it may be created as a matter of fact, rather than by any formal or legal appointment. Under Hong Kong law, an agency is deemed to arise in certain given circumstances, despite the lack of any formal agreement. When an agency is created, there are various duties that all parties are now legally obligated to undertake. These duties are formed under law and bind the parties' behavior, including how the agency can be terminated. CCW Global Limited is an insurance broker. This means we represent our clients and not the insurance companies we choose to work with. Under Hong Kong law, when you choose to purchase any insurance policy from CCW Global, we are obligated to represent your interests as your agent of insurance. You are the principal for all of our brokers, who would be your agents. This is a fundamentally different relationship from an insurance agent, as this type of intermediary represents the insurance companies. They're the agents of the insurers, and you are the third party which the insurer is dealing with. While both brokers and agents have agency relationships, each one of these intermediaries does so from opposite ends of the insurance spectrum. For more information about insurance in Hong Kong, or to get a free quote, ask CCW Global, where your insurance is swift, simple, and sorted.